नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन थर्सडे ऑल मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस staged a strong rally in the first half of the session but faced profit booking in the later half. Despite the pullback, they ended the day solidly in a positive territory. The strength on the Wall Street was driven by President Donald Trump's unveiling of a trade agreement framework with the United Kingdom. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading near its 100-day EMA levels. Going ahead, the zone of 5,700 to 5,720 will act as a crucial hurdle, while the zone of 5,600 to 5,570 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Brent crude surged by nearly 4% on Thursday. However, currently it is trading below its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the 61 to $60.8 will act as an immediate support, with 63.7 to $64 remaining a crucial hurdle as the 20-day EMA is placed in that region. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index surged above the 20-day EMA for the first time since March 26, 2025, and it has formed a sizable bullish candle. Going ahead, it is likely to continue its pullback rally and test the 50-day EMA level, which is currently quoting at the 101.98 level. Talking about Nifty's view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Nifty remained confined within a narrow range during the first half of the session. However, a sharp sell-off emerged in the later half after the news broke about the escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. As a result, the index slipped below the 24,300 mark, ending the day with a loss of 0.58%. With further escalation reported overnight, the market may remain highly volatile today as well. गैप डाउन ओपनिंग को देखते हुए 23,900 टू 23,870 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 23,870 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट 23,700 के आसपास होगा। वही अपसाइड में 24,170 टू 24,200 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट रेजिस्टेंस या हर्डल बन सकता है। On the derivative front, the May futures dipped by 0.77%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also dipped by 1.49%, which indicates an overall long unwinding. The 24,300 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 24,400 strike. So on the put side, the 24,200 has a substantial open interest followed by 24,100 strike. For the weekly series, the OI put call ratio is at 0.87. Talking about Bank Nifty ended the session with a loss of 0.45% on Thursday. आगे जाकर गैप डाउन ओपनिंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए 53,600 टू 53,500 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि अपसाइड में 54,000 टू 54,100 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल या रेजिस्टेंस बन सकता है। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark Sensex index also came under pressure in the second half of the session, witnessing a notable correction. However, it managed to hold above the 80,300 mark, closing the day with a loss of 0.51%. आगे जाकर गैप डाउन ओपनिंग को देखते हुए 79,400 टू 79,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही अपसाइड में 79,900 टू 80,000 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल या रेजिस्टेंस के रूप में एक्ट करेगा। On the derivative front, weekly futures slipped by 0.69% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 72%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 80,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 81,000 strike. On the put side, the 80,000 has substantial open interest followed by 79,500 strike. The OI PCR is at 0.76. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India Week surged by over 10% on Thursday. From the recent low of 12.84, it has surged by 104% in just 11 trading sessions. This clearly indicates that the overall market volatility has increased significantly due to the geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan. So going ahead, the zone of 22.6 to 22.8 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while 19.5 to 19.3 will act as a crucial support. The advanced decline ratio is largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Now, talking about the key sectors, technically, Nifty PSU Bank, Pharma, Healthcare, Metal, Realty and PSE space are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FIDI data, in the cash segment, the FIIs purchased to the tune of 2008 crores while the DIs sold to the tune of 596 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 52.17. As on a net basis, they bought 7,006 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.